Hey guys, Flabaliki here today and welcome back to Cities Skylines. So I've done a little bit since last time. You might notice this highway now goes a little bit further and it's actually stacked on top of each other because I thought it'd be kind of cool. Also, for some reason my columns have disappeared. I did actually put a bunch of columns in there, but they're gone now. That's sad. Anyway, I'll fix that eventually. Yeah, so I decided, because we did originally have this just stopping here, which was okay, except literally everyone would just exit here, zigzag through the city to try to get over there. So it was basically just adding all this traffic to the road network that was all going one direction anyway. So what I did is I just extended the highway a little bit further down this way, added an exit here, just bridges over this way, comes across, and actually joins with this road. So essentially just cutting out this middle section and all the intersections there. And then I was just filling... oh, wait. Why do half my props keep disappearing? There was a prop right there as well. Like I did this barrier all the way along the road. I thought it was cool. I don't know where it's gone. Clearly I'm new to props. I don't really know what I'm doing with it. Is it because I have prop anarchy off and if I update something near it, like it screws it up? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so that's there. That actually works really, really well. It's really cut back on traffic in the area and is not, like, I mean, look at this. It's beautiful. Like before, like, I don't, well, maybe I should have shown it before, but before it's like red through this section. It wasn't great. So this is a lot better. And then I sort of moved the highway entrance a little further back. There's no longer an entrance anywhere near here. There's one up there and one over here. We might need to add some more or change that as we go, but for now that seems to be just okay. So a few suggestions and comments in that from a while ago was up in this place, Coventry and Wood. We built a bridge, but we actually have no pedestrian access between the two, as you guys rightly pointed out, because that is a highway bridge. So I'm just going to build a little pedestrian pathway from the sort of train station area. If I can get it... oh, look at that, 2 trains at once. That's beautiful. Well, I think if I can get it through here, there's like a really nice little spot. Oh my god, look how many people are waiting for that bus. Okay, so can I stop snapping to everything? What's going on? There we go. So we can go here. We're going to go up. Oh, no, there we go. Up. I'll just bring it all the way across. Here. 5, 6, 7 meters maybe. Should be about... I think that's fine. Yeah, that gets above it. Okay, so turn all the sort of snapping and everything back on now. So we're going to go to there. And it's removed. I've got no column. That's sad, but anyway. Now, it'd be nice if you could get a bridge that had like all that sort of stuff over it. Now, I don't think we don't have any ferries up here, do we? I think they're all way further down. Oh yeah, because we had the waterfall. Okay, so it's fine. You don't have to worry about height or anything over the river. Just convenience sake, really, is what we're trying to do. So this is going to go across. Where's 180 degrees of that? It's actually pointing this way a little bit, right into that guy's house. Which kind of sucks for them, but you know what? These things happen, and you just got to deal with it. So we're gonna go to... well, actually, hang on. I'll go 1 meter. So it's like still raised a little bit. Right into that guy's house. It's a little too low, though, isn't it? Which is strange. Anyway, then that will go straight up here. Sorry, guy. Move out. Yeah, that should have been higher. Even though I said raise at a meter, it seems to be way too low. Which is interesting. Anyway, we'll put it there, and then I think I'll just redo that, because I'm not happy with that. I think I'll just redo that and just do another straight slope straight through here. Onto this guy. Okay, so just a gradual slope all the way up. It's not the most attractive bridge. I mean, I guess... No, you know what? I will do... well, I will not do that, but I'll do something a little bit better than that. Because if we just go... let's just go straight across. So flat, just flat across, and then we'll sort of just join the land here somewhere. Like here. And then this can sort of just make its way up. So if we go like, I don't know, say on the ground. Maybe like this, and then like this, and then like this, and then like that. Oh, okay. You know what, I might use an elevated pathway because it's going to be a little bit easier than that. Okay, that was the bulldoze tool, not the upgrade tool. Cool. All right, let's do it again. So I'll just do this, and then what I'll do is... okay, stop trying to build there. Because it's annoying, because I need to put something here. All right, so that's going to go here. Right, what I'm going to do is obviously move all this to where it's going to make sense, because it's just easy. I feel like with pathways, at least, it seems to be easier to do it after the fact. Now, I think I'm going to have to do a little flat piece here on the ground. Just to connect those two. Oh, okay. Well, never mind. Hang on, move that back. Then put it in on the ground. There you go. Okay. So this is going to be here. Let's move over this way a little bit, actually. I think that's the pathway. Yep. Cool. That can start going down already. It doesn't need to stay up so high. That's going to come around this way. Doesn't really need to be curved. There's no reason for that. Go to there. That's not too bad. Then it will come around. We'll fix this curve though, because if we're going to have a curve here, we might as well make it nice. Try and make it sort of somewhat uniform with itself. There you go. That's not so bad. Look at that. Like that. Then we'll fix this one here too. It's a little off. That looks a little smudged out a bit. There you go. So it just sort of goes up like that and then joins the road here, which I need to fix that bit a little, I think. I don't like how the grass is coming through it, but I don't think there's much I can do about that. I might just raise up this section a bit and then this section a bit too, so it's not too steep all through that. Okay, so that should work, and then they can cross the road, I think, just up here. Yeah. Okay, so that now adds that connection through. Let's see if people actually use that. Yep, they're using it. Beautiful. All right, so now people will walk across there. They can get across the other side, or they can get the bus, whatever tickles their pickle, which is good. All right, so that's that. The other stuff that I wanted to do, which was suggested, I don't know. I'm not really sure why, so let me know. I'm not really sure why these buildings are low land value. Is it? Like, I'm really confused by that. Healthcare availability. See, this just seems to have no access. And same with this building here. So like, this whole building, 145 households, there's no one in it. Now, I think this one is because I've sort of smudged it through the road. But these, I actually replaced these back on the road. So I thought that maybe it would work. I mean, this one, maybe because that's cut through. I don't know. Maybe we just have to live with it being like that. Or we just get rid of these two and do something else there. Because we don't need those two. I like that building though, but that one doesn't seem to work. Which is interesting, and I don't know why. Well, let's see what else we can do. How about that? Why don't we get out... See, a commercial through here would probably be ideal. We've already got one of these buildings. We don't need to do this one. I don't know what to do there. See, I still haven't found... I have not really found an ideal thing for that little space. But what I want to do, I think I just want to add a bunch of zoning through this area. A lot of residential zoning, actually. I don't know if I want the whole... Yeah, I want this whole block to be residential. I don't know why that can't be, but all of this will be residential. Not sure about all of that. Yeah, you know what? All of that. So this whole middle section here is going to be zoned in. I want to start filling out the city a little bit, because we can always add in sort of the more unique sort of skyscrapers as we go. Plus, this sort of northern section of the downtown is not really going to be where all the big buildings are. We're going to sort of put them more down this end by the water. Even though there's not a lot of room, but it's mostly going to be over here, then this is just going to be sort of high-rise. And then I want to fill out this area up top. Oh, yeah, I added this train line in. I don't know if I actually mentioned that. So I connected up that train line all the way around. So it sort of goes up through the hills. And then the plan is add a train station here in the middle of this. So we have a stop up the top. And then probably through the top, I'll extend like this tram up the top section here so we get the public transport through that area. We'll see how we go. All right, so that's all running through. Also, another thing, none of these seem to be being used. There's 0 out of 35 trucks being used from there and 0 out of 30 ambulances from that hospital. Yet there's a lot of people sick in the area because it's so loud, so I don't know why they're not being used. I have no idea. Let me know if you know. I don't know. All right, so any interesting buildings we could get? Oh, actually, yeah, I wanted to use this somewhere. This, what is this? Japanese. There's a lot of Japanese stuff in the workshop at the moment. Someone's clearly going through and recreating a city or something. I assume it's a shopping center. I don't know. It looked like one. It looked cool though. There you go. It's beautiful. Do they have Uniqlo? Oh, they don't have Uniqlo. I don't think. I mean, it's a bit. Don't look too closely at the signs on the building because clearly it's a Japanese building, but it looks cool as a building. I think this needs to go a little bit further out though because it's not. I feel as a downtown thing. Maybe more out this way or something. I don't know. Okay. Now... Oh, actually, that's what I want to do. I want to get death care in and around the city because we don't really have any coverage of it. We have one down the bottom, but that doesn't seem to be enough. Yeah, hers isn't used for over seminar. I think... Okay, let's get up the top here because I want to get... we need a main road running up the top. Probably connect it through to this high street. So I think I'm going to have to... Do we... Maybe... I think we just move this high street. We curve it. And we run alongside. Should move all that back. Sorry guys, you're all going to have to re-establish your businesses. Actually, let me do it like this. Because if I just get a... alongside here. So it's definitely running alongside it. Let me also turn off straight slope. I don't really want that with a road. Oh, actually, I do want it through here, though, because I don't want that to go up too high. Good, that's fine. And then this can go maybe just curve a little bit that way. And then we'll curve back in and join back up with that street. Yeah, so it's all part of that. So then that sort of follows around this way instead. So then this will become like a main road. Might be busy, but we'll see how we go. All right, so then that, I guess I wanted to connect up... I mean, it's going to connect up down there somewhere, doesn't it? So let's see what we can do. So that's going to come along. It's not too steep, but I think we're going to have to probably curve it down. A little bit nicer. Now, do we just... Oh, maybe we don't need to curve it down. Maybe we can just... Let me see. So we definitely have room for an intersection on this stretch of road here. So I'm thinking maybe if we go here... Could do that. That's probably fine. We can even zone along that. That's pretty cool. All right. And then this, I might just curve to join it. I probably should have moved it further back so the curve is a little wider. Also, where it changes direction there, I'll just change that up. Okay, so that road now runs through like that. So it's sort of one that goes up through the mountains, and then we can zone in this area really, really nicely. I want to add in a train station. So I'm actually going to just demolish all this section and flatten it out, because it's going to be a lot easier if it's flat. Rather than all this hill through here trying to get a station in. Actually, I'll just use this guy here. I'll just choose like a rough midpoint and then we'll sort of get everything to head toward that. Okay, let's go back a little bit. Okay, from there to there. That should be good. Okay, so let's go level out some of this as well, because that should just go all the way through. Oh yeah, that works really well. Good. Alright, so the railway is going to go... Actually, I won't do that yet. I'll do the road because I'll need to put the station in. So we'll get the road through like this. Okay, don't go 6 meters. Go there. Did I do a straight slope on that? Because I didn't want a straight slope. Is that a straight line? Yeah, it is. Okay. So that goes through there. Okay, cool. So that's all nice and flat now. That's good news. Then we just want to get a station here. Probably nothing fancy, but also nothing too small, because we are getting closer to the city, so I feel like it should be a little bit more established. Maybe even just the default game one. Could be okay. I didn't really like it though. Never really liked that one. Or we could just... See, the problem with these ones is they're really small, which is good, but I feel like it's a little too small. Maybe if we can do... Let's do this. If we go like this... And almost have like the train station on its own little road like that. I made that road slightly the wrong size, which is annoying. So what we'll do, we'll go... Can I not go one further that way? Really? Alright, fine, I'll go there. It won't let me place it. It won't let me place it where I actually want to. So then I've done there. And then we should be able to find, hopefully, some buildings that can go in there. Actually, you know what? Why don't we try something a bit different? Why don't we try doing this? Wait, so let's go... let's go maybe like that. Let's see if we can get about the same. Do you think that's the same? No, I should probably have looked at what I was doing. Hang on. So we go here. 141.3 degrees. That's what I want. 140... Okay, this is not really... The road is in like a weird section at the moment. Okay, let's try that again. 141.3 degrees, there it is. Okay, so we do that. I just want to try this out because I think if we do this, it could be cool. And then we basically just turn this into two one-way roads. Oh my god, it's all flipping all the wrong way. So then the traffic kind of just like splits that way and comes back in. That's kind of cool. But we'll have the two right-hand lanes there. That makes more sense. And then you come back. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that's kind of cool. But then the question is, do I widen this or... No, we'll just keep it like that. I think that's kind of cool. I like it. It's a little bit different, a little bit unique. Could be dumb, could be good. Who knows? Right, so this, we'll just curve it into that, I think. I guess around here somewhere? Good enough. Although, you know what? I'll redo that because it's... It's just not floating me boat. All right, so from here and then we go, oops, too far. There to there. Beautiful. And then this one has curved in a little too much. So this will come straight out to about, let's say about there. And we can curve this all the way around. Straight slope. Nice. Okay. Then we grab our line tool. We're going to stop. Oh, did I? Hang on. Make sure I'm grabbing the right side of the line. So I want the left-hand side. Yep. Good. And then the right-hand side. There. Okay. Right, so that's going to go there. That's good. That's all connected up. This is going to continue being high density. Okay, good. Get that. Hang on. Hold up. Get that building out of the way because it's not going to build a full-size building otherwise. Oh, is that a bus stop there? We're going to move that. Well, this bus stop can then go... Hold up, I'm confused. Which way is it going? Wait, what the hell? What line is this? I'm confused. So it stops here, but that's also the other line. Okay, that's confusing. So it stops here, then it stops there, then it stops here, which is a little too close. So we'll move that a little further down. That'll go here. And then we're definitely just going to stop at the train station because that makes sense, and then we'll just come back around for now. And then we'll probably continue that bus line through over here at some point and service this kind of area. Okay. Whoa, all over the place. Okay, let's get water and all that up here. So we're going to need that. Beautiful. And then I think just get some commercial along here. And I might even see if I can do just basically all of this. Wait, what? I might do a different district here, actually. So this section here. See, I would imagine this being just more housing and that up the top. But I kind of wanted to do some sort of commercial specialization. See, I was thinking, what if we did that? Wait, what did we do here? Because I feel like we did one here, didn't we? Or did we not? No, I think we did. But I wanted to do maybe leisure? Like nightclubs and that up here. Could be kind of cool along this section. A lot of people walking up to the train station, which is good. There's no power at the station, but it still seems to function just fine. Which is good news for us. Good news for us. Oh, yeah, I should probably just connect this road through too. I guess if we connect it... Well, hang on. Let me plan out... Let's plan out some roads up here first, then we can figure out where that goes. Because I think what we should do is have a road... Okay, turn off straight slope, because again, I don't really want that. We could even do a road sort of continuing down this way a little bit. Might do that, though. Do I want to do that? No, I don't want to do that. I don't like that. So that'll go there. Now, I don't want to just do a flat grid up here because it's not really going to fit. Like, you're not going to get the most out of the space. So we need to kind of figure out something that's going to work best for us. Okay, so that's going to go here. So I want to have a road come off here, but I almost don't want it coming off the one-way section, though, is the thing. But I guess it makes sense. It's probably fine. Alright, let's go through here. And that will go like that. Okay. And then this road here will continue on. But this way. Out to there. And that will join up to here. And then this can join through the back. Maybe like to there. Okay. Okay. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Then I almost want to join that, but not really. Like I want to... If I turn off snapping, if I go here... I want to do that where it's like maybe it was once joined, but then they sort of disconnected it because it was not good. But if we do something like that, I like that idea. Okay, then... I don't really want offices up here, but I can't really put residential right behind the commercial. Because that's just going to be a nightmare. So I think we kind of have to do a few offices just around the place. Just as a little buffer zone. Then, do I want to do high density up here? I think so, because it's still part of like the city area. So yeah, I will. So this will be high density residential. Oh, I want to get stuff over that side too, which I guess we'll just do a level crossing. That's probably fine. But I want to get some death care. Is what I wanted to do. Okay, so I'll go there, and then maybe we can have a road here, sort of running along this top section. Back down that way. Yeah, because I definitely want to do a bunch of zoning on these hillsides as well. Okay, we've got all this space down the bottom, so I definitely want to do something there. And I think if we get like one of the... What if we get like one of the little lanes? A bit of a cliff. That's also quite steep, so I kind of want to bring that down a bit. It's about there. But then... Oh, where can I fit this in though? Because I can definitely fit a road here, and I can definitely get zoning here, which is good, because that's what I want to do. But I got to figure out where this is gonna rejoin said road. Maybe there, and then I guess over here somewhere. Maybe just on that bit. Okay, so then that gives us all the zoning through here. Can we fit in a thing? Because this is... Oh, we probably could. If we use a bit of move it, we could probably fit this in almost how I want to. We've got to get two of them there. So I have to sort of make sure those trees aren't on the rails as they currently are. Okay, let's just bring that in a little bit. Right about there. Ooh. Oh, that's probably fine. It's like a little laneway thing, so that's probably fine. Okay, I'm fine with that. That will go there. The other side of this track, we can just do low density maybe. Although I feel like leisure stuff, what is that going to do with this? I feel like it's going to do some stupid... You know what, I almost feel like this should be offices, because it seems like a good office space right by the rail. So I'll try to get a pedestrian pathway just bridging over, because we'll probably have a lot of people commuting here to work. So, if we go here... Okay, why is this... Oh, that's -7. Right, I want to be +7. Do that. Cool, no supports. Oops. Is this going to be... Is it reckon that's too steep? Or is that fine? That's pretty steep. Although I don't think we need to be at 7 meters. 7 meters is super high. It doesn't seem like we need to be at that high. I think we can probably go lower than that. Also, I don't like how there's only one pillar. Where are the wires? We can be about there, I think. Which is not too bad. Not ideal, but that's alright. Alright, if I put that there, then they can at least cross over. And, we got a crossing there too, in case we need to get on the other side. So we're getting little offices just by the rail there. That's good. Got the buses running through here too, which I think should be pretty useful. Then I might actually get a pathway on this other side here too. I'll go one here, because we got a road there, so it's like 3 from the side, and I'll do one there just for symmetry, because it looks beautiful. So I'll go... Well, we've got a bus stop right there, so I'll do that in the middle. But they can cross there and in the middle and all that. That's fine. There's plenty of ways to get across, so that's fine. And then, can we get... well, there's like... Well, those tennis courts fit in there, don't they? So I have some other random things that I might have downloaded at some point. Oh yeah, these do... I don't really want to put tennis courts in there though. That's kind of weird, isn't it? I mean, it'd probably just be like little shops and that. Oh, this area... Oh, hello. It's like this area is really built up, but I have not prepared for it. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, so that's all built up there. This area through here that we just randomly did is also built through, which is good news. A lot of commercial demand, so I think I'll get some more high-density commercial along these roads. I think it always just makes sense along the main roads anyway. Through here, through there. Might see if I can get some custom stuff in here as well, actually. Let's have a look. Because we have a lot of... sort of posh mall on that. I don't know. I feel like these need to be somewhere else, though. What about something? No, not that. What about a Best Buy? How big is that? We could get this here on the corner. I can't even do it with Anarchy because it's too steep. But I feel like that'd be really nice there. Where's another place we could put it? We could put it like... Maybe down... Oh, maybe over here. Yeah, maybe... Can we get under this sort of highway section? We could. And it's almost like I don't really want to take up this sort of downtown real estate with a tiny little Best Buy. Like, I could go up here somewhere, but then it doesn't really... I don't know. Maybe over this way. Maybe right by the station. No, it's too big. What about... where's that IKEA? I think that's low density, actually. Although I always thought that... we have 2 IKEAs. What's the difference? We have this one and we have this one. They look identical. So there's this one and there's this one. They are identical. Yeah, literally in every way. Except one's called Boston Beer and one's called Chicken. Yeah, Chicken! Here we go. Idiots. I don't know why. I don't know why I have 2 of them. I clearly subscribe to multiple things. Then we also have all these like sort of shopping malls as well, which are pretty cool. But I don't know what I'll do with those yet. Alright, well anyway, back over here. I wanted something commercial, but I can never really find any good commercial stuff on the workshop. Like it just never speaks to me. Could do an E-Mart. But where would that go? Could go here on the corner. What about that? That kind of fits in nicely. Maybe. I don't know. There's 80 people to work there. That's a lot of people. But anyway. This could be interesting though. We got a lot of people sort of... Do we have people zigging and zagging through there? Because I'd rather them not do that. I'd rather them stick to the main road. Rather than using that as like a cut through. But, having said that, it might not be a bad thing. If it becomes a problem, we'll see what we can do to solve it, but if it works fine, then I guess we'll just keep going with it. Alright, so through these sections, I kind of just want to get some more residential as well. Like this road in the middle, I think I want to be residential, and like all this here as well. So this kind of backs right up to the commercial there, but it's probably okay. As for... Okay, there's not really any parks or anything over this way, so let's see, maybe we get a... No, we need something that would make sense for the area. I don't think we... can do a parking lot. Is that fun? It's probably not. But we could do a parking lot right opposite this. Let's see, does that, Oh, it does actually make him happy. It actually does count as a park. Because it's got a little bit more blue. So we could do that there. I don't know if I want a huge parking lot right there, though. Just because I feel like that's... Because we don't have a lot of room downtown. It almost feels like a waste of space to do that. Also, I feel like we definitely need to sort of zone these hillsides, because it seems very empty. Like, it doesn't seem that... Like, it's not that steep, so I definitely think we can. Maybe if we go here as well. Go up. Hang on, let's go from here. Let's go the other way. Go from here. Like that. Yeah, nice. That's probably fine. Bring that down. So it's sort of... the slope is a little smoother and not as steep. So I'll go here. And then we should be able to just get some... Should we do like smaller... Let's do the little laneways in between here, because that's always fun. And they're also way, way slower, so people shouldn't really use them for... Okay, don't be at -7 meters, please. Then maybe we'll come off this one. There'll just be like little houses or something there, I think. Okay, so we're gonna get... well, let's get high density up the top. And then... I mean, we could do high density through here, but I just don't think it would look as good as if we just did houses and all that. So do houses on these sections like this. Da, 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 da. Beautiful. Maybe not that bit. Yeah, I don't know about the main road sections. We'll have to see into that. I think down on this... Well, on this road, I definitely want to have probably some commercial and all that, because it's like our... It's a main road that sort of runs around the city there. Any larger buildings that aren't actually that large that we could use? They're all offices, though. It's the problem. All those sort of skyscraper stuff that I've got are offices. Like, I wouldn't mind using a larger building, but not that. That's like way too big. Like, it needs to be appropriate for the area. It's like a low-rise area. In terms of large buildings, anyway. That's not too bad. We could get... I know we got... I think we got a few of these over here somewhere. We got one there. We can use another one. What if I get it in here, actually? Put one right there on that sort of road. Just add to that section. Yeah, that's alright. It's a residential building, though, isn't it? No, it's a office building. No, that's fine, then. Okay, good. They won't be mad by noise. Cool. What else? Is there anything else that would fit in over here? Something not too tall? Like a little office building, something? I don't know why this guy has roads on it. I don't really like that it comes with roads. That's too big. See, a lot of these buildings we need to stay for the actual other side of the city. Some of them are okay. Could do something like this. What if we did that in like the corner there? Or does that seem out of place? It might seem a little out of place. Could be okay. I don't know. I'll leave it there for now. We can always remove it anyway. But it also creates a bunch of jobs right there too. So they should like that. You guys just miss out on water. How about that? Okay, so this is all running. A lot of people in the area. I don't know what to do with this section in the middle. I guess it should just be like a park. I guess that makes sense. And then have this as more commercial, So because we've got a bunch of offices just over here. So a lot of people should be over this side at work, which is actually quite good. Which I like. I'll just do a few more to sort of fill it out a bit. So this station should hopefully be quite busy. And this line should be pretty good. I added a whole bunch of trains to this line. There used to be like 3 trains. I think now there's 6. So we double the amount. They all seem to be good. There seem to be a good amount of people on each train, but not too many. Like it's not overcrowded, which is great news. It seems to be working quite well. I think what I might do is also just do a little bit of lane management here, saying this is going to be a left-hand lane. This lane is only going to go here. This one will go forward, because then there's no cars interfering with each other, then that's a right-hand lane. This one will definitely go forward, it will not turn left. So that's fine. And then, yeah, you can go left or right in these lanes. No problems. Yeah, I'll just leave that. I don't need to change that. Might need to do some, I don't know if we'll need to do any traffic lights there. Probably not. I mean, it seems fine. There's actually not a lot of traffic through the area. It seems fine. Why has no one built there? Did I not own that? Oh, I did own it, just no one's built there. We also definitely need a road at the back there. Let's have a look. So the people on this road now. Oh, it's still a busy road. It's a nice road. I like it. Okay, so if we have a look at our traffic. Busy through here. That was always busy from before because a lot of people come off the highway here to get to that area, which is fine. The downtown's looking pretty good. Busy through here a little bit, but not red. Nowhere near red. It's like fine. It's like so good. Average traffic flow is 77%. Oh, 76%. 77%. I mean, the heaviest part in the city is like this sort of highway ring there, I think. And then, I mean, a little bit of this highway, but it's just a lot of cars. It's not packed. Like, it's not backing up. So that's always good news. I think I'll leave that there. I think that's kind of all I want to do this part. So let me know in the comments down below what you think we should do next. I think it's coming along nicely. I don't know about that building. I kind of just put it there. I mean, it's not the worst, but it's not the worst. But I don't know. Anyway, I think it's filling in nicely. We obviously need to do some stuff through here because it's there's some cliffs. Like we can't build everywhere on these mountains because I think it is definitely too steep in some areas, but definitely can fill in parts of it. Also, again, I need to do buses properly. I got rid of the bus line that was running through here somewhere because it didn't make sense anymore when I changed all the roads. But yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. And have an awesome day.